Do you want to hide the share count on Instagram Reels? You can hide the number of shares on Instagram with just a few simple steps. But before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out. To hide the share count on your Instagram Reels, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are on Instagram, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to access your profile. At the top of the profile, tap on the plus icon. Now, from the drop-down menu, select Reel. A new screen appears, displaying all the photos and videos from your device. Select one video that you want to post as a reel. Now, add music, text, or stickers to your video and tap the next button. On the new screen, scroll down to the bottom and select More Options. A new screen appears. From here, enable the toggle switch next to Hide Share Count on this reel. Now, others won't be able to see the number of times your reel has been shared.